Good morning, world. Today, not yesterday, today, we have a new pickup. Today we have the PSA 10.5-inch ARP with the SVA 3 arm brace, not stock arm brace. Look at this beauty. All right, so this all it come with. You got your PSA Palmetto State Armory sticker. Ain't gonna lie, this hard. I will not put it in my car, but I will hang it up somewhere good at the crib somewhere like that, you know. For now, you know. Then you got some shipping stuff. Oh, my info. You don't need to see that shit, cause you come in here, you gonna get Swiss cheese with ease. Got your lock. Gotta get a safe soon. Federal firearms license. Yep. This is what the magazine came in. See, this is the factory one, but I decided to take it out and put that with the window. Yes, sir.